Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by anchoring your attention. This isn't optional, it's the reset. First, scan the room and name 5 things you see, then 4 you touch and 3 you hear. That shifts brain state from rumination to present sensing. Once done, use box breathing. Inhale 4, hold 1, exhale 5, repeat 4 times. This slows heart rate and reduces adrenaline. Finally, set a 10-15 minute timer to commit to this reset, so your mind stops looping and starts acting. You now surface the loop by writing the intrusive thought in one clear line. Naming it makes it manageable rather than foggy. Next, probe it. Ask for evidence supporting and opposing the thought. Force yourself to list at least 2 contrary facts so you weaken the unhelpful certainty. Once you have that, generate a single actionable response or a kinder, realistic reframing to replace the worry. This turns mental energy into problem solving or acceptance, which reduces replay, and you finish by committing to one small action and testing it for 10 minutes. Quick wins validate your control and calm the nervous system. Afterward, review what changed and adjust. Make sure to celebrate small shifts to reinforce new habits. If you find yourself frozen, use a 5-minute reset. Walk, splash water on your face, or play a song to interrupt rumination. Troubleshooting tip. If relapse happens, don't judge. Repeat the grounding and reframing cycle immediately, and shorten goals to reduce overwhelm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.